Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel. Struggling to capture those picture-perfect moments with your current gear? In this video, we dive into the best Nikon cameras lineup, showcasing top DSLRs and mirrorless models that fit every skill level and budget. Whether you're hunting for a nimble Nikon mirrorless for stunning travel shots or a robust DSLR that excels in low light, we've tested them all. From beginner-friendly options to pro-grade bodies built for high-speed action and video prowess, you'll discover which model unlocks your creative potential. Ready to upgrade your kit and elevate your photography? Hit play and let's find your perfect Nikon companion. Number 5. Nikon Z50. Mirrorless Kit. Compact 16 to 50mm stills and 4K video performer. The Nikon Z50, with its 16 to 50mm wide-angle zoom lens, offers a compelling package for enthusiasts seeking a versatile APS-C mirrorless system. Its 20.9-megapixel sensor delivers sharp, punchy stills with excellent dynamic range, while 4K UHD video at 30 frames per second captures smooth, detailed footage. The hybrid autofocus system locks onto subjects quickly, making it ideal for vlogging, travel, or casual event shooting. Weighing just 395 grams, the Z50 is remarkably pocket-friendly, yet feels solid in hand. The tilting touchscreen LCD simplifies high and low-angle compositions, and the built-in electronic viewfinder ensures confidence in bright sunlight. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity streamline image transfers to smartphones, perfect for on-the-go sharing. Battery life supports up to 320 shots per charge, enough for a day's exploration. With customizable controls and intuitive menus, even beginners can tap into advanced Nikon features like picture controls and time-lapse recording. Overall, this mirrorless camera strikes a fine balance between portability, image quality, and video performance, earning its spot among the best Nikon cameras for hybrid shooters and content creators alike. Number 4. Nikon Z8. Mirrorless ultra-high-resolution full-frame hybrid pro body. The Nikon Z8 brings flagship performance in a surprisingly compact full-frame mirrorless package. Its 45.7-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor captures breathtaking detail in stills, rivaling DSLR titans, while its advanced image processor powers blazing-fast continuous shooting at up to 20 frames per second. Video creators will appreciate the Z8's ability to record 8K 60p or 4K 120p footage internally, delivering cinematic quality without the need for external recorders. Autofocus performance is equally impressive. Eye detection and subject tracking cover both humans and wildlife, ensuring critical sharpness in dynamic environments. The rugged magnesium alloy body features dual card slots, extensive weather sealing, and a responsive touchscreen that flips for vlogging and high-angle shots. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth simplify file transfer, while customizable controls let pros tailor the interface to their workflow. Battery life comfortably handles a full day of shooting, and the in-body image stabilization provides up to 6 stops of shake reduction. Overall, the Nikon Z8 stands out as one of the premier mirrorless options for photographers and filmmakers seeking top-tier resolution, speed, and versatility. Number 3. Nikon Z30. Kit Ultra Compact Hybrid. Mirrorless with 16 to 50mm lens. The Nikon Z30 bundle pairs a lightweight mirrorless body with a versatile 16 to 50mm zoom, making it a standout choice for content creators and enthusiasts. Its 20.9-megapixel APS-C sensor delivers detailed stills, while uncropped 4K 30p video at up to 120 frames per second in 1080p lets you capture smooth slow-motion clips without external recorders. The fully articulating touchscreen is perfect for vlogging and selfie shots, and the built-in stereo mic port improves audio quality over on-camera mics. Autofocus is fast and reliable, thanks to eye detection and subject tracking modes that lock onto faces and moving targets with ease. Despite its compact size, just over 405 grams with battery and card, the Z30 feels solid, and battery performance supports around 320 frames per charge. Wireless connectivity via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi lets you transfer photos instantly to your phone for quick sharing. Overall, this bundle delivers an excellent balance of portability, image quality, and video capabilities, earning its place among the top mirrorless options in the Nikon lineup. Number 2. Nikon Z9 Flagship. Full-frame mirrorless for pro stills and 8K video. The Nikon Z9 sets a new benchmark for professional imaging, pairing a 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor with a blazing fast X-Speed 7 processor. Photographers will appreciate the 20 frames per second silent burst, up to 120 frames per second in DX crop, capturing decisive moments with pinpoint autofocus that tracks eyes, animals, and vehicles across the frame. Video creators gain internal 8K 30p and 4K 120p recording, delivering cinematic footage without an external recorder. Built like a tank, the magnesium alloy body features comprehensive weather sealing, dual CF Express card slots, and a rugged vertical grip option. The 3.6 million dot electronic viewfinder and 2.1-inch tilting touchscreen provide crystal-clear monitoring, even in bright sunlight. In-body image stabilization offers up to 6 stops of shake reduction, and advanced heat management ensures extended recording sessions. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, high-speed transfers to mobile devices or tethered setups are seamless. Overall, the Z9's combination of resolution, speed, and video prowess positions it at the top of Nikon's mirrorless lineup, ideal for wildlife, sports, and cinematic productions alike. Number 1. Nikon ZF Retro-Styled. Full-frame mirrorless with modern performance. The Nikon ZF marries classic design cues with contemporary mirrorless technology, delivering a 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor ideal for both stills and video. Its tactile dials and retro-inspired body pay homage to Nikon's heritage while offering modern conveniences like eye detection AF and 4K/30p video capture. The hybrid autofocus system locks onto subjects swiftly, making it equally adept at portrait, street, and landscape work. Despite its nostalgic styling, the ZF incorporates cutting-edge features: a high-resolution 3.69 million dot electronic viewfinder and a 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen for flexible compositions. In-body image stabilization provides up to 6 stops of shake reduction, ensuring crisp handheld shots. The dual memory card slots, a hybrid CF Express XQD plus SD configuration, support high-speed bursts and extended recording without interruption. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enabling fast image transfers to smartphones and tablets via the SnapBridge app. With excellent ergonomics and robust build quality, this mirrorless camera stands out in Nikon's lineup for creatives seeking both style and substance.